Welcome to Ambition IQ. Today we are going to learn about one topic which is one poem which is known as In Cape Rock. In Cape Rock is used to provide direction to the ships which is moving on the sea surface. If you want to go to the right direction, the In Cape Rock will give you the right decision to go to your place or give the right direction to the you. Whenever you went to the coastline areas, you will find one Inch Cape Rock which shows the direction. Here the Robert Saudi tells one thing of a person. Here we have got two characters. One is one is the Sir Rolf the Rower. He is a bad person, and one is Abbot of Aberthrock. He is a good person. He made good things which will help to the society. And Sir Rolf Rower, he is a pirate. He went and grabbed whatever he get onto the sea route. He made too many mistakes. He made too many unwanted things, so nobody will like him. But Abbot of Aberthrock, he has too many things, so too many people give him a blessing that he made something good for the people, for the society. So let's start. The story is about the good Abbot Aberthrock and the devious Sir Rolf the Rower. The Abbot achieved the great feat of installing a bell on the dangerous Inch Cape Rock that had previously caused many shipwrecks. Means the Abbot Aberthrock, he made one bell which is kept on Inch Cape Rock. He made it with a chain. If the wave is coming fastly, if tsunami or if cyclone coming onto that sea level, he will provide you attention that the rocks are available there. The Inch Cape Rock is available there. If the waves are moving fastly, so bell also ringing fastly. So the ship owner and get attention of his danger situation. So he made that much of thing for the society, for the ship worker. His bell rang during the storm and issued an order for the passing of ships. Whatever the ships passing through the sea level or sea, he will get attention of any danger thing. So the seaman knew where the rock is and could avoid the danger of accident. So the seaman and the ship owner will get attention where whatever comes in his way, he will get attention. He will get direction that you will suffer to go there. There is no any danger situation. If bell rang, then owner of ship or steamer get the understanding that there might be some danger. So that's why they bless the Abbot for his good work. Swimmer and ship owner give blessing to the Abbot's work. But it was the rower who felt jealous at the fame of the Abbot and planned to cut down the bell from the Inch Cape Rock. So Sir Rolf, he is a too bad person. He felt jealous about the Abbot. That's why he decided to cut that bell, so no one can bless the Abbot Aberthrock. So he went to the small boat and go to the Inch Cape Rock and cut the bell. So he did. This Rolf and Roll was actually a sea pirate. I told you already, he is a pirate. He is cheating too many person and grabbing the whatever wealth they have. So he needed to destroy the bell to accomplish his desire to rob more ships by putting them in a danger. So what he wanted to do, he wanted to cut that bell and he wanted to achieve his desire. He wanted to cut that bell. One day what happened, his ship was left in the midst of storm, because one day what happened, he went on the sea he found that something is different. Something got dangerous. So he went there and found that there may be a possibility of losing his direction. He crashed against the rock. Thus the river was punished for his sinful work. His work is not good. That's why he is paid for that. So his accident will done and he died with the help of that rock. Here the poet Robert Southey delivers a message through his poem that as you sow, so shall you reap. Means whatever good work you do, it will reciprocate to you. If you do good, then good will come. If you do bad, bad will come. So the poem in K-pop is dedicated in nature like most of the Southey poems. He delivered the message that we have to understand the situation. We have to learn the situation, because every time you will get positive and negative. If you do positive thing, it will comes to you. If you do negative things, it will come negatively. So Robert Southey tells us that we have to behave like a good person. We have to sow seeds in good manners. So it will give you a good nature. It will give you a good place. It will give you a good